Did you know that the average home wastes about 30% of its energy? That's like throwing away nearly a third of your energy bill every month. Shocking, right? Or consider this, the energy used by idle electronics in US households equals the output of 12 power plants. Welcome to our guide on how to save more energy with 6 amazing tricks. We're diving deep into strategies that really work. These are not your typical tips. We've got the latest green gadgets, smart home automation, and even some DIY projects that are fun and effective. In this video, you'll discover how a simple smart plug can cut your power use by 10%. You'll learn about the power of smart thermostats and how they can save you $180 a year. We'll reveal how invisible upgrades, like better insulation, can slash your energy bills by up to 15%. But that's just the beginning. Get ready to explore renewable energy options you can use at home, from solar panels to small wind turbines. And we'll show you how tweaking your daily habits can lead to huge savings. So, are you ready to make your home more energy efficient and put some extra cash back in your pocket? Let's get started. Chapter 1: Green Gadgets Galore, the ultimate energy-saving tech. Saving energy doesn't have to be boring. In fact, it can be quite fun with the right gadgets. Let's start with smart thermostats. These devices learn your schedule and adjust the temperature automatically. Did you know that using a smart thermostat can save you up to 10% on heating and cooling bills? Another great gadget is the energy-efficient appliance. From refrigerators to washing machines, these appliances use less energy to do the same job. Look for the Energy Star label when shopping. According to the EPA, Energy Star appliances can save you about $450 on your energy bills annually. Then there's the magic of smart plugs. These plugs can turn any device into a smart device. With a smart plug, you can control your appliances from your phone. Imagine turning off your coffee maker from your bed. How about trying a home energy monitor? This device shows you how much energy your home is using in real time. It can even identify which devices are the biggest energy hogs. By monitoring your usage, you can make smarter choices and save money. LED bulbs are another must-have. They use up to 85% less energy than traditional bulbs and last 25 times longer. That's a win-win for your wallet and the environment. Solar chargers are perfect for charging your gadgets using the power of the sun. These are great for outdoor activities and reduce the need for electricity. A study found that using solar chargers can cut down your energy consumption by 20%. And don't forget about smart windows. These high-tech windows can adjust their tint based on the sunlight, reducing the need for heating and cooling. It's like having sunglasses for your house. There are even smart irrigation systems that use weather data to water your garden. This not only saves water but also reduces the energy needed to pump the water. Finally, consider investing in a battery storage system. These systems store excess energy generated by your solar panels. You can use this stored energy when the sun isn't shining. With these green gadgets, saving energy becomes a breeze. Plus, you'll be contributing to a greener planet. Chapter 2: Bright Ideas. Transform your lighting with eco-friendly solutions. Lighting is one of the easiest places to start saving energy. Switching to LED bulbs can have a huge impact. They use up to 85% less energy than incandescent bulbs. Plus, they last 25 times longer. But it doesn't stop there. Smart lighting systems can take your energy savings to the next level. These systems allow you to control your lights from your smartphone. You can even set schedules for when your lights should turn on or off. Imagine never forgetting to turn off the lights again. Have you heard of motion sensor lights? These lights turn on only when someone is in the room. They're perfect for places like hallways and bathrooms where lights are often left on by accident. A study found that motion sensor lights can reduce energy usage by 30%. Natural light is another great way to save energy. Open your curtains during the day to let the sunlight in. It's free and it doesn't use any energy. Skylights are also a fantastic way to brighten up your home naturally. For those who love a bit of tech, there are smart bulbs that change color based on your mood or time of day. They can be dimmed or brightened with a simple voice command. It's not only energy efficient but also adds a fun element to your home. Solar-powered outdoor lights are perfect for your garden or driveway. They charge during the day and light up your outdoor spaces at night. No wiring, no electricity costs. Daylight sensors are another cool gadget. These sensors adjust the brightness of your lights based on the natural light available. So, your lights are never brighter than they need to be. Chapter 3: Invisible Upgrades. Insulation Secrets for Maximum Energy Efficiency. You might not see it, but insulation can make a big difference in your home's energy efficiency. First, let's talk about attic insulation. A well-insulated attic can reduce your energy bills by up to 15%. That's because it keeps warm air in during winter and hot air out during summer. Wall insulation is equally important. Did you know that around 35% of heat loss in homes occurs through the walls? Using high-quality insulation materials like spray foam or fiberglass can dramatically improve your home's energy retention. Now, don't forget about your floors. Insulating the floors above unheated spaces, like garages, can prevent heat loss. This simple step can save you up to 10% on your heating costs. Weather stripping your windows and doors is another easy and effective way to improve insulation. It prevents drafts and keeps your home cozy. A report by the US Department of Energy found that weather stripping can reduce energy costs by up to 20%. Let's talk about double-glazed windows. These windows have 2 panes of glass with a gap in between, providing better insulation than single-pane windows. They can reduce heat loss by up to 50%. For an extra layer of insulation, consider using thermal curtains. They help keep the heat in during winter and block out heat in summer. Plus, they add a stylish touch to your home. If you're serious about insulation, you might want to look into insulated concrete forms, ICFs. These blocks or panels made of insulation foam are used to build walls and provide superior insulation. Homes built with ICFs can see a reduction in heating and cooling costs by 20–25%. Did you know that insulating your water heater can save you money too? A water heater insulation blanket can reduce heat loss by 25–45%, meaning your heater uses less energy to maintain hot water. Also, consider insulating your ducts. Leaky ducts can lose 20–30% of the air that moves through them, which means your HVAC system works harder and uses more energy. Lastly, don't overlook your basement. Insulating basement walls and floors can prevent heat. Chapter 4, Nature's Power, Harnessing Renewable Energy at Home. Tapping into renewable energy sources is a fantastic way to reduce your carbon footprint and energy bills. Let's start with solar panels. Installing solar panels on your roof can generate enough electricity to power your home. Did you know that a typical residential solar system can save homeowners about $1,500 annually on their energy bills? Wind turbines aren't just for large fields. Small wind turbines can be installed on residential properties. If you live in a windy area, a small turbine can generate a significant amount of electricity. It's a unique and efficient way to harness nature's power. Micro-hydro systems are another intriguing option. If you have access to flowing water, you can install a small hydroelectric generator. This setup can provide a constant and reliable source of renewable energy. It's perfect for properties near streams or rivers. Geothermal energy is also worth considering. Geothermal heat pumps use the stable temperature of the ground to heat and cool your home. This system can be up to 45% more efficient than traditional HVAC systems. Plus, it's a great way to use the Earth's natural resources. For those who love DIY projects, building a solar water heater is a rewarding task. It uses the sun's energy to heat your water, reducing the need for electricity or gas. This simple system can save you up to 60% on water heating costs. Community solar programs are gaining popularity. These programs allow you to buy into a larger solar installation. You get the benefits of solar energy without having to install panels on your own roof. It's a great option if you live in an apartment or a home that isn't suitable for solar panels. Battery storage systems are a game changer for renewable energy. They store excess energy generated by your solar panels or wind turbines. This stored energy can be used when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. It ensures a steady supply of renewable energy. Did you know that passive solar design can heat your home naturally? By positioning your home to take advantage of the sun's path, you can maximize natural heating. Large south-facing windows and thermal mass materials like concrete or brick can absorb and retain heat. Biomass energy is another option. Using organic materials like wood pellets or agricultural waste, you can generate heat and electricity. Biomass systems are a sustainable way to use waste products and reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Chapter 5, Smart Living, Automate your home for peak energy savings. Imagine a home that takes care of itself, adjusting settings to save energy without you lifting a finger. Welcome to the world of home automation. First, let's talk about smart thermostats. These devices adjust the temperature based on your habits and can save you up to 10% on heating and cooling costs. It's like having a personal assistant for your home's climate control. Next up are smart plugs. These nifty gadgets can turn any device into a smart device. You can schedule your appliances to turn on or off at specific times, reducing standby power usage. Studies show that standby power accounts for about 10% of household energy use. Imagine cutting that down with just a few smart plugs. Lighting automation is another game changer. Smart lighting systems can be controlled from your phone, and you can set them to turn off when you leave a room. According to the US Department of Energy, automated lighting can reduce energy use by 30%. Let's not forget about smart appliances. Modern fridges, washers, and dryers now come with energy-saving modes and can be controlled remotely. These appliances adjust their energy use based on demand, which helps to avoid peak energy prices. A home energy management system, HEMS, is like the brain of your smart home. It monitors your energy use in real time and makes adjustments to optimize efficiency. With a HEMS, you can save up to 20% on your energy bills. Smart irrigation systems are perfect for maintaining a lush garden without wasting water. They use weather data to adjust watering schedules, ensuring your plants get the right amount of water. This can reduce water usage by 30–50%. Voice-activated assistants like Amazon's Alexa or Google Home can also help manage your energy use. You can control lights, thermostats, and appliances with simple voice commands. It's convenient and helps you stay on top of energy savings. Don't overlook the benefits of smart power strips. These strips cut power to devices that go into standby mode, preventing them from drawing energy. They're an easy way to make sure no energy is wasted. For a more integrated approach, consider a smart home hub. This device connects all your smart gadgets, allowing them to work together seamlessly. With a hub, you can create routines that reduce energy use, like turning off all lights and lowering the thermostat when you leave the house. Security systems can also contribute to energy savings. Smart security cameras and sensors can be set to power down when they're not needed, reducing their energy consumption. Automating your home is not only about convenience but also about significant energy savings. By letting technology handle the little details, you can focus on living your life while your home takes care of the rest. Chapter 6: Eco-friendly habits, daily routines for a greener lifestyle. Changing your daily habits can lead to big energy savings. Let's start with something simple: unplugging devices. Even when turned off, many devices still draw power. Unplugging them can save you up to 10% on your energy bill. Switching to cold water for laundry is another easy habit. Did you know that 90% of the energy used by washing machines goes towards heating the water? Washing with cold water is just as effective and saves a lot of energy. Drying clothes on a line instead of using a dryer can also save a significant amount of energy. Plus, your clothes will last longer when they're not exposed to the heat of a dryer. Consider meal planning to reduce the number of times you use your oven. Batch cooking and using a microwave or toaster oven for small meals can save energy. Ovens use a lot of power, so minimizing their use helps a lot. When it comes to heating and cooling, try adjusting your thermostat by a few degrees. Lowering it by just 2 degrees in winter and raising it by 2 degrees in summer can cut your energy use by 5–10%. Ceiling fans are great for keeping cool without cranking up the AC. They use much less energy and can make a room feel several degrees cooler. Using a programmable thermostat can also make a big difference. Set it to lower the temperature at night and when you're not home. This simple change can save you about $180 a year. Cooking with lids on pots and pans can reduce the energy needed to prepare meals. It traps heat and cooks food faster, using less energy. Switch to a low-flow showerhead to save on water heating costs. Heating water is a big part of your energy bill, and using less hot water means using less energy.